Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Timothy Cox. This is our Advanced Concept Presentation 1. In the description, we are given that an ion is an atom that has either a net positive or negative charge. Balloons, when rubbed against surfaces, can build up a negative charge. When placed in front of a positively charged object, the two will attract. Today, we're going to use this to separate salt and pepper. And so in the instructions we were given, it says to mix salt and pepper together on a plate, take a balloon, fill it with air, and rub it against your head. Hold the balloon over the salt and pepper mixture and see what happens. And so what we have here is just some regular McCormick salt and pepper. Oh, there's the camera. Here we go. And so we're just going to distribute this on a plate here, just a regular paper plate. So we'll do the salt first. We'll just get a good amount of salt to just cover the bottom of the plate. We'll do the same with the pepper. So mix it up a little. You can see the salt and pepper on the plate here. I do have just a regular sized green balloon. And so we'll just go ahead and conduct the experiment. So essentially what's happening is the electrons are transferring to the balloon, creating this negative charge. And as we apply it to this plate, what it's going to do is cause electrons to move to one side on the salt and the pepper should just jump to the balloon. And this is a result of the pepper being just a tad lighter than the salt. So we'll see how this goes. I think that should be enough. So let's go ahead and see what happens here. I'll try and put this close so you can see. And you can hear the pepper as it jumps to the balloon. And so as you rotate the balloon, it will also pick up the pepper. Now, you can see here that the pepper is quite stuck to the balloon. As you move it to an area on the balloon where I was not rubbing my head, the pepper falls off. Oh, I guess we made kind of a mess here. Now, the static electricity that's created as a result of rubbing the balloon against your hair is going to give the balloon a negative charge. And that is what static electricity is the transfer of electrons making one item negative and one item is slightly more positive. And so when the balloon gains enough static electricity and is brought near the mixture with the salt and the pepper, the negative charge polarizes the salt and the pepper. And so the electrons of the salt and the pepper are moving to one side, leaving one end positive and one end negative. The positive end is attracted to the negatively charged balloon, which is why the pepper sticks to the balloon. And the salt would as well, but because the salt is a little more dense and heavy, it doesn't leap off of the plate like the pepper did in the demonstration. So that's how you separate salt and pepper. And it worked. I thought maybe it wouldn't work as well just because I typically keep my hair pretty short, but it doesn't seem to have affected the experiment in any way. So that was nice. So there you go. I hope everybody else has similar results, and then we have something to talk about. So thank you.